Rapid replacement of failed sidewalks. Paved sidewalks often crack and heave or subside. Since they are impermeable, puddles often form. Water seeping down through the cracks can cause them to heave and crack even more. Cracks often widen with time. Cracking, heaving, and subsiding can make it dangerous for walkers and impossible for wheelchairs. Here, one person with a pickup truck carried these panels from a nearby parking lot and stacked them next to the sidewalk that needed to be repaired. This sidewalk was too deteriorated to be repaved. It would have to be completely ripped out and reconstructed. Instead, the workhorse sidewalk system is quickly laid down in a matter of minutes right over the broken up pavement, creating an easy rolling surface for wheelchairs and safe walking for pedestrians. It would be too dangerous to walk or roll in the busy highway. Use of the sidewalk is not interrupted during installation of the workhorse surface. Since the pavement is so badly heaved near the wall, the workhorse sidewalk system is installed slightly over on the grass. This won't kill the grass and the workhorse surface will remain more level. If it was desired to shift the workhorse surface closer to the wall, a few wheelbarrow loads of gravel would be added to level things up. While not shown in this video, taking a few more minutes to add drift pins during installation would assure that the surface stays in proper alignment. The drift pins also deter unauthorized removal. Tapered ADA-compliant ramps are added at each end. The contrasting color provides a visual cue. The hump in the pavement under the ramp portion should be knocked down with a handheld rotohammer. The rest of the path provides smooth walking and rolling over the uneven pavement below. At a later date, when time and budget allow, the workhorse sidewalk surface can be set aside. Then a crew with excavation equipment could rip out the old pavement, smooth out the surface, and set the workhorse surface back in place. For more information, please visit workhorsegs.com.